Hello all. So today you are having problems with your device charging. We are going to do a bit of troubleshooting. So even if you have to go to the professionals, you will have some form of idea as to what is happening with your device using the built-in Samsung troubleshooter or diagnostic. So we go into settings, scrolling down until we see battery and device key. We click on it. And we're going down on the right side now to diagnostics. Click it. Then we see in three options here. Tablet diagnostics. Right. We also see app battery usage diagnostic, and we see app safety diagnostics. We're going into the first option, tablet diagnostics. In my case, the cable charging is here. So you are looking for cable charging. Click it, and within 10 seconds, while it is counting down, you would push in your charging USB, right? So I will push in my charger within the 10 seconds. Alright, so we click on it. Cable charging, then within the 10 seconds, and I just pushed it in, and you see it is charging normal and at the normal speed. At times you would see fast charging, but in this case it is charging normal, not fast, since I'm using my device right now. So if you have a problem with your device, it will let you know exactly what would be the problem. So if you have it plugged in and within the 10 seconds and there's a problem with your USB or with your device port, it will let you know, hey, it is your USB or it is your port. So that is how to do a quick troubleshoot using the Samsung features. Have a good one.